guys, welcome to a new week. It's, what's the date today? I think it's the 17th, Monday the 17th right now. And as you just saw, I'm for another run. Pretty much a runner at this point. I feel like I've almost started all my vlogs, the last 3 vlogs running. It's because I run on a Monday. Anyway, I did week, hold on. Sorry, yeah, I just did week 6 of my little running program. So I did 5 minutes with a 1 minute rest 4 times. And it was easy. I would almost say I was a bit slower because my calves are still getting used to it. I almost want to say shin splints. No, I don't want to say that. But I think my body's not used to running, and maybe, I don't know, we'll figure it out. So it felt good. Lockie and I also ran on Saturday, as you saw in the last little weekend vlog. But yeah, it's a new week. Mum and Dad are coming on Friday, which is just crazy. So I'll see them Friday night for dinner. Will be the first time I see them because our family friend's picking up from the airport and they're staying there for the first 2 nights and then they're coming here. So before then, I'm just gonna like clean up the granny flat a bit to give it like a really good deep clean all the linen, towels, you know, stuff, boring stuff. Like I'm just gonna use it as an excuse to like reorganize everything and like go through some stuff and just tidy up random bits, like just, you know, random stuff. So yeah, and then we're also dropping the van into a mechanic to get fixed. On Wednesday it's getting fixed. I think on Tuesday afternoon we will drop it in and then pick it up sometime Thursday morning potentially. So today I'm not doing much. I need to edit some vlogs. I need to, that's it. That's why I don't really need to do anything, but I've done my run. I'm gonna have a shower now and make some breakfast because I'm hungry. I'm gonna make French toast for breakfast. Felt like something different, mix it up. I also missed a plait in my hair. See? Idiot. Anyway, welcome to the vlog. I'm happy you're here. Let's have a killer week, I guess. Hey guys, I thought I'd just give you a bit of an update because I haven't really talked to you much today, but it's like 6:20 Monday and Lachlan's still not home. Anyway, so today I just ended up organizing some of my footage for my vlog, watched some YouTube because there's so many YouTube videos to watch on Monday. I love it. Shall I give you a little reading update? Still reading Into the Dark, which means I've been reading it for a week now? No, more, 2 weeks, sorry. And I'm on page 519, and there's like 700 pages, I think, ish. And part of me is like, I just don't want to finish it. So I've been like taking my time with it. Sorry, editing Mia. But I've also been audiobooking The Prison Healer. I finished that and I started the second one straight away because the ending was really good. So now I'm curious. I would have listened to the second one anyway, but the ending was really good. We love a twist. We do. So that's good. because it was a bit slow. But I feel like I want to see it in real life. I want to see how many pages it is. Actually, to know how big it is, whether the audiobook's just slow. And I probably just took too long to listen to it, so it felt more dragged out. It was good. I would rate that like a 4 out of 5, I reckon. The twist, it was nearly a 3, and then the ending made it a 4, I think. So, hey Archie. Hey baby boy. Where's your dad? Anyway, dinner's made and lunch is already made, so I don't do any cooking tonight, which is awesome. Oh, Archie loves to lick. Please don't lick my knee. What did I just say? Don't do it. Don't lick my knee. Anyway. Anyway, so I've just been like waiting for him to get home. So that's my story. Anyway, I'm going to say goodnight now. And I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Tuesday morning. I always go to say happy Tuesday, but I don't know what day you're watching this on, so it's not really Tuesday for you. But anyway, it's Tuesday here. Lockie's actually not working today, just because there's not a lot on, so that's kind of fun. We've already gone for a W this morning with the dog, and he's now going for a run, and I've just made myself some brekkie. And then we have someone coming looking at the van this morning, so I'm just going to tidy that up after I have this. Do some things around the house, start getting things ready for mum and dad and stuff, and getting the van ready for them because they're taking the van down the coast, which is exciting. I'm just driving up to a friggin' Whoop Whoop now to this mechanic, this tuning place or whatever. And Lockie's driving the van up. Legend. I didn't even have to ask him, he just offered to drive the van. So I get to drive his car, and then we're dropping it there, and then we'll drive back down together, obviously. So a lady came and looked at the van this morning, but she doesn't want it, which is really sad. For a second I thought she might like it. She liked it. Anyway, I think it's just a bit old for her, but she knew how old it was. Anyway. Hey, mister. So I didn't film anything for the rest of the day. I'm really sorry. Whenever I'm with Lockie, I just forget. I think it's because when I'm by myself, I'm like, I need to show my friends. But when I'm with him, I'm distracted. So we actually ended up going to Scarborough and getting lunch at the beach. We didn't swim, but we saw the beach, which was really nice. And then came back and I actually had a nap. And then I was like, I need to get up and do something. So now we're doing our little evening walk. It's just about 5 o'clock. And then we're gonna have some dinner and play some games. We played Monopoly Deal yesterday. Lachlan won the first game, so obviously then I had to win the next 2, just to remind him that I'm better. But yeah, we're just gonna do a quick little lap of the lake. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday morning today. And as you saw, I just did like a little tidy up of the granny flat, which I do every morning. Just a peace of mind. My brain can't focus if I'm in a like messy area. It's still like not perfect, but it's as good as it can be because it's so small. And then Archman went out for a walk. We did the extended lap of the lake. We went up into the reserve. I called Mum, just organising some things for when they come. In 2 days, I'm seeing my mum. Thank God. And yeah, I'm just going to make breakfast now. Same breakfast I've literally had the last 2 days. So sorry. At one point I was like, maybe I should have what I eat in a week vlog. But good thing I haven't, because I've literally eaten the same thing like every day. So I'll do that in a couple of weeks, I think. Anyway, my brain isn't where it should be. It's when I think it's when I have my earphones in. I can't. Anyway, not the point. Today I'm just doing a little bit more sorting outside, cleaning that up, and just going through a few things and washing all like the towels and bath mats and hand towels and blah blah blah. So pretty exciting stuff. Yep. Anyway, I'm really hungry. I've been really hungry this morning, and we don't have any bananas left. Otherwise I would have had a banana. Lachlan puts his little garment thing in the most random places. Bless him. Anyway, let's make some breakfast, shall we? Together. Do you want to watch? I'll put you on a time lapse again. I've just made myself a yoga bowl and I'm watching Despicable Me 3, which is amazing because I was watching them on Prime, and Prime only has the first 2, and then I realised Netflix has all of them. So now I'm sat and I get to watch 3 and 4. Just gone for a little stroll. Lachlan's gone out for dinner tonight, so I just had leftovers and was watching a movie, and now I'm gonna read. It's only just past 8 and he hasn't told me he's coming home yet, and he's in Scarborough, so he's got like half an hour drive home. Anyway, so I'm just gonna read, and then I might even fall asleep because tomorrow morning we're driving to go get the van, which means I have to leave. We're gonna have to leave here at 6. I think I want to go in activewear and do a walk along the water, and then go to the beach, and then potentially I'll go to the gym in the afternoon. I'm gonna say goodnight, and I'll see you in the morning. Hopefully we get to go to the beach tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Thursday morning. It's 8 o'clock. Lockie and I have driven and picked up the van, as you can see, and right now I'm parked at the beach, and it's a stunner of a day, and I've got my beach stuff, I've got my book, I've got my running stuff on, so I'm gonna go for a little trot. It's a little bit windy, of course it's always a little bit windy in Perth, but I'm going for a little trot, and then I'm gonna go for a little swimmy and read my book. I've only got 100 pages left. That's the game plan, and if that's not perfect, I don't know what is. Hey guys, oh the sun! I'm all done, and I'm vlogging it fucking the trig walks. I'm so brave. Anyway, it's time to get changed over soon because I'm sweating so much. Please hold. Ta-da! Let's go. I'm gonna grab my snorkel. I don't think I'm gonna get my fins. Oh, but maybe I just should do it to him. I don't have my underwater camera, but I've got you, so maybe I won't do my fins. I'll just do my snorkel and have a little swim around. Okay, let's go. Snorkel, but I got a bit scared of sharks, so I came back in. Because there could literally be a shark, so I'm valid, and it just felt sharky. It was like deep. It was really clear though. It was really good. That last clip where like I dove down, that's the sort of what I love swimming in, like deep, clear water like that. But I'm just like, it's just silly to be out there alone, because like usually Lockie would be on the beach at least, but like literally no one knows I'm here besides, like no one knows where I am, sort of thing. So, and there's people around, but like, you know, what are they gonna do? So I'm gonna get eaten by a shark, and there's like shark sighting like twice a week. There's need some friends to go something, because Lockie just isn't into it, unfortunately. That's okay, I can do that, I can make some friends. Anyway, now I've just been watching math clips on TikTok. God, it's good, it's so entertaining, and I'm just about to start finishing. I have like 70 pages left, it's so sad. The sun for too long, so I may not finish, because I've already been in the sun for a little bit, and I don't have any sunscreen on because it's in the van. I forgot to put it on before going down, because I was so sweaty too, so anyway, that's my story. I'm just gonna keep reading. guess who doesn't have a headache? I don't. How good. I had a rotten headache yesterday afternoon and I literally tried to sleep it off and it didn't work, and then, oh, no good, let me tell you. But popped some Panadol before I went to bed and now I've woken up feeling really good. So, yeah. What do you reckon, Archman? He wants to go outside, but I have a few things to do. So, today, I'm doing like a big deep clean of the granny flat because Mum and Dad are coming tonight, so I'm just using this as an excuse to do it. And now that we're signing it on for like another 3 months, I may as well do a nice big reset. So that's what we're doing today. I was going to start doing it this afternoon, but I was literally like, my head was just killing and I was like, I can do it all tomorrow. So today, just to give you a general like idea, I've got like a massive list in front of me, but it's like every little thing. I gotta gotta change the sheets and wash the van bedding and change all that. I've got to wash like the hand towels and like just wash everything. I've got to clean everything, clean the bathroom, the floors, just like I want to clean like the microwave and the air fryer and like stuff like that, like deep clean. I need to clean that dog, and then after that I need to clean the shower. I need to do like a grocery shop, a little meal plan for the weekend, because we don't really know whether we're going to be eating out or not, so I'm just going to get things that we can make if we have to. And yeah, and just finish sorting out outside. So we're going to start by stripping the bed and putting the washing on and watering the lawn and cleaning outside. And then we're going to go for a W. And then we're going to have breakfast because I'm kind of hungry already. No, we'll take him for a W first. So let's start a little montage, I guess. While I'm doing all this, just sitting, looking silly. Yeah, we'll go soon. You guys, Mum, hurry up. Oh, I need to go for a W. That's breakfast time. And then after breakfast, I think I should go to the gym. I don't really want to, but I just feel like I should. I feel like that'll be good. Oh, thank God that's done. That could be the worst job in the world. I've been to the gym and I've gone to one grocery store. I still need to run to a Woolies though, because I forgot that I was in the van and I can't go to the Woolies that I was near. Because it's too high to like get into the little centre. So I just have to go to the Freo one. So the most important thing is just do a vacuum and a mop and give Archie a bath, which actually like only takes me probably maybe 40 minutes to the whole process, brush him and stuff. So nice. Come here, come sit. Sit down, sit. Stop it. Come here. Stop. Come sit. Yeah. Sit down. Stop. 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 Sit Stop, Archie. This freaking guy. Come here. Ow! Ow! Stop. I need to freaking brush you out, my guy. Stop. 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 Come here. Come here. He's like a freaking child. Shopper. Come here. Come. Come. Archibald. Can you see him? Stop. Stop. Oh, come sit. Sit down. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. You're so good. You need a bath. And before baths, you get brushed. Yeah, before baths, you get brushed. Yeah. That's okay. How's that? That's not too bad. Yeah, I'll get that out. What is it? Ah! Stop. He's literally like a toddler. Stop. Stop. The attitude. Archibald. Stop. That's gonna hurt you. Stop. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Stop. Stop. Pop up.